Richard's eating his chicken reveal. I'm home from volunteering. I also went to the market and got some salmon and chicken dinners. I also got a beef teriyaki dinner, but I don't give Richard the beef. So he'll get some human food when I eat those dinners over the week. I went to Safeway too. I got 2 Chipotle chicken wraps. I'll give Richard chicken when I eat the chicken wraps. And I'll make a post about the adoptions. I didn't say this last week, but Salem and Bonito got adopted. And then this week, Cleo and another cat got adopted. Cleo and Daisy. And then on Monday, Egg is getting adopted. Egg has been approved for adoption, has an approved owner. You want to go outside, buddy? He wants to walk. Eat some more reveal first, buddy. Alright. So that's 5 adoptions over the last 2 or 3 weeks. I'll make a post about the adoptions and with the cats. And we'll catwalk a little later. Thank you for watching.